Hi everyone! Since the festive season is just around the corner, I'm going to show you on how to make a perfect roast potatoes with just 4 ingredients. Check it out! For this recipe, I am only using 4 ingredients, which are vegetable oil, butter, salt, and potatoes. I am using Mary's Piper potatoes in here as the potatoes will be fluffy on the inside but crispy on the outside. You can also use Yukon Gold or Russet in America. Before we start, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 392 Fahrenheit or gas mark 6. First, peel the potatoes and then cut it into smaller pieces. Wash the potatoes by running it under cold water. Fill in a pot with cold water and put it to boil. Add in your potatoes and boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Drain the potatoes. Shake the potatoes to scuff out the outside. This will make them nice and crispy as they roast. Now pour some oil in a baking tray. Add in some butter and put it in the oven to heat it up. If you don't want to use vegetable oil and butter, you can also use just beef dripping, goose fat, lard, or shortening of your choice. Sprinkle some salt on potatoes and stir it well. Now take the oil and butter out from the oven. Add in the potatoes and make sure all of them are covered with oil and butter. Bake in the oven for about 20 minutes. Take out the potatoes and turn them over. Put it back in the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes or until they are turning to golden brown. Take them out from the oven and drain the potatoes on the kitchen roll first. And voila, you're done! These potatoes will be great for your Christmas dinner, lunch, or Sunday roast. Enjoy it!